How do you fix remote registry editing challenges in Windows? Imagine trying to manage multiple computers on your network and suddenly hitting a wall when attempting to edit the registry remotely. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. Today, we'll walk through how to fix those remote registry editing issues in Windows. First, you need to make sure the remote registry service is running on the target machine. You can do this by opening the Services window, typing Services MSC in the Run box, and finding Remote Registry. If it's not started, right-click and choose Start. Also, set its startup type to automatic or manual so it starts with Windows. Next, check your network connection. The remote computer must be reachable over the network. Try pinging it from your command prompt to see if it responds. If it doesn't, troubleshoot your network or check if the remote machine is turned on and connected properly. Firewall settings are often the culprit. Windows Firewall might block remote registry access. To fix this, go to Windows Defender Firewall settings, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and make sure remote registry is checked for both private and public networks. If it's not listed, you can add a new inbound rule to allow traffic on the necessary ports. Permissions are also key. You need to have administrative rights on the remote computer. Log in with an account that has administrator privileges. Then, open the Registry Editor on the remote machine, click the key you want to modify, and select Permissions. Make sure your user account has full control. Sometimes, remote registry editing is disabled through Group Policy settings. To enable it, open the Group Policy Editor by typing gpedit MSC, navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then System, and finally Remote Registry. Set the policy to Enabled. You can also modify the registry directly by setting specific keys if Group Policy isn't available. Always back up the registry before making changes. You can do this within the Registry Editor by clicking File and then Export. This way, if something goes wrong, you can restore the registry to its previous state. When editing remotely, use the correct tools. You can connect through the Registry Editor by choosing Connect Network Registry and entering the remote computer's name. Alternatively, use command line tools like reg.exe or PowerShell. When using PowerShell, run it as an administrator and ensure remoting is enabled on the target machine. If you get specific errors, check the Remote Procedure Call service. It must be running for remote registry editing to work. Also, verify that the Remote Desktop protocol is functioning if you're using Remote Desktop to manage the machine, as issues there can affect your access. Finally, after making configuration changes, restart the remote registry service or the remote computer itself. This ensures all settings take effect properly. In Windows, remote registry editing is a powerful feature for managing multiple systems efficiently. But it's important to keep security in mind. Proper permissions, enabled services, and correct network settings are all necessary to make it work smoothly. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to troubleshoot and fix remote registry editing challenges with confidence.